When we hear the word palace, we think of royalty. But have you heard of a palace for the people?
We are in Alexandra Park, a 250-acre open space in North London, and you can see the Alexandra Palace behind me, popularly known as Ali Pali.
It was set up almost 150 years ago, and the palace is called the People's Palace, acting as a resort and recreation center for the people. For a society or a community to grow and prosper, it is important for the people to identify with something greater than themselves. Alexandra Palace is a cultural landmark which brings individuals from different walks of the society together in celebrations, sports, and entertainment. Alexandra Palace has a grand and interesting history. The palace has been destroyed twice by fire and has played pivotal parts during the World Wars. It boasts of a beautiful garden which comes alive during the spring and summer months.
Alexandra Palace is famous for hosting a lot of music festivals. Famous people like Led Zeppelin, the Queens, more recently JayZ, and the Rolling Stones have also performed here over time. This place is also famous for airing the first TV show in the world. BBC on 2nd November 1936 aired the first television show in the world from Alexandra Palace, and you can see the tower right behind me, which was used as well.
Alexandra Palace has something for everybody. There is a year-round ice rink for winter sports lovers. Water enthusiasts have access to a lake with boating facilities to relax and paddle away. Cricket and football lovers can join the sports club, which also provides coaching to young talent. For the more adventurous, Go Ape provides the thrill of treetop activities and may not be for the faint of heart. The park and palace hosts summer festivals and parties for everyone to participate and have a good time. During New Year's Eve and Guy Fawkes Night, it puts on a brilliant display of lights and fireworks, also providing a perfect stage to see fireworks across London. The park supports local farmers and residents by hosting a farmers market every Sunday. It promotes fair trade and an opportunity for the locals to get fresh produce right from the source. The park area of almost 200 acres is a local nature reserve and is home to almost 700 types of plants and animals, of which 38 are rare species. The park provides a green lung in the locality, a space to relax and exercise amid the bustling city life. Stress is something we are all acquainted with. The greenery and the serenity of the Alexandra Park is a respite from the monotone and enhances and nourishes the lives of the people willing to touch nature and live with it. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stories.